Hello all Quantower users, my name is Shivam. Welcome to another video on ODX indicators, and this video is all about the delta exhaustion strategy. The strategy is already explained in the webinar and the videos are already available. I'm just checking on the today's expiry whether it worked or not. So you can see that I have applied the ODX time stats notifier. The settings are this. You can check the settings and follow -7 to +7. You will use a between condition on delta percentage. The another condition is the volume greater than 3500, and then you have to execute it, so it will show on the charts wherever the exhaustion has happened. Now another thing we are doing is at the same time we are comparing this with the options data as well, whether option shows same thing or not. So this is the first exhaustion that has happened, and if you already know the exhaustion strategy, what we do is we look at the day at the so if you already know the exhaustion strategy, we look at the day high low, and there we are looking for the exhaustion criteria. So in this candle, this was the day low. If you see, if you just forget all this data and up till here, this was the day low, there was a delta exhaustion happening, but using this indicator. But if you check the order flow of this particular candle, you will come to know that this was not the proper exhaustion. So let me what the candle was at around 10:10. So let us look at this here around 10:10. You can see this candle that it closed below the point of control, and there's no volume in the wick. So this shows that at the end of the at before just before the closing, the traders, the sell orders, okay, market sellers were in control. So thus the candle closed in red and below the POC, and there's no much volume in the wick. So this does not meets our exhaustion criteria. However, the delta percentage in volume is meeting our delta criteria, exhaustion criteria, but this does not show. But at the same time, we would like to check the ODX as well. So I'll click on the 10:10 candle. You can see it's 10:10, and this data also shows the bearishness. Doesn't show the reversal sign. You can see the calls. There's a call writing happening, and at the same time, puts are being bought. Now let us look at the other one. So this is almost at the day low. So we can again you check this as well. Generally, I prefer the day low candle, but it's almost near. So it is still okay. If you see, it is meeting our criteria of delta percent -7 to +7, and the volume is more than 3500. So what we will do is we will check the order flow also once, what it shows. So you can see a lot of volume is there in the wick, and at the same time there's a divergence as well. So the candle is red, and the delta is positive. So even though market sellers are selling, but market buyers are also present. And if you have already attended the webinar, you already know that how we look at the delta exhaustion criteria, and it is meeting the criteria. There was a proper exhaustion, but I would also like to confirm it with the ODX. So when I click on the this candle 10, it's 10:45, and you can see that put writers are started writing from this level. So even though there's a call writing happening, but the put writing is also happening, and the biggest is the 11.08 CR, which is around 46,000, and there is a 8.63. So this shows that put writers are also writing, call writers are also writing. So both are trying to take control. Okay, and in the order flow, we can also see that there's an exhaustion happening. Okay, so this data shows the uncertaintiness, but it shows that put writers want to take a control. They think that the market should be bullish from this level. Okay, at the same time, call writers are also writing. So both are aggressively writing, but the futures chart shows different, which shows that there's an exhaustion. Okay, so it is not in the favor. The options data is not favor that it is not bearish, neither it's bullish. Okay, so this is neutral, and this shows reversal sign. So you can see the market did reverse from here. However, in this scenario, what you can do is, you can, if you're not certain, you can wait for one more candle to close above, and then you can see that somewhat around, you can see that it is almost 113, or you can take the day low, so which is around 135, and you would target the same. You can see the market was a complete reversal, and the market did went above, but we are targeting just 1:1. Okay, so if you are buying, you will target 1:1. You can also sell put. So what you will do is, you will look at the spot chart, and you can sell the out of the money puts as well. Okay, here you will not look at the 10 crore value, unlike the other strategy. This is a different strategy. You can just you can be aggressive and sell at the money as well, but however I prefer out of the money, so you can sell out of the money puts as well. Okay, it's up to you whether what trade is more rewardable, whether the buying or selling. So this covers the delta exhaustion strategy video, and I hope you guys like it, and do subscribe to our channel. Such more such videos will come in future soon. Thank you for watching.